We are going to be changing out the fuel injectors on the Cruiser. Here's one of the injectors right there. They lay underneath. So this will come off, this will come off. The top half of the intake manifold will come off. We'll get down into a position where we can take them all apart. The injectors are, I think they're leaking, they're dripping. I think we've got a little leak. Let's see down in there at all. Anyway, they're leaking in there somewhere, dripping, and it's running bad, and fuel is so expensive. But I'm gonna change them out. I'm also gonna change the fuel filter, which is right there. If you can see it or not, but a fuel filter right there as well. But let's get started. total pain in the butt getting this out. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you. So it's just up, kind of out of the way. Seeing there, what a freaking disaster, pain in the butt. Oh my goodness. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. This thing needs a LS so bad. Anyway, I'm gonna switch these stupid things out, clean up where I've got down there, and then I guess reassemble. All right, the new ones are in. And I just gotta put them in there. Some time has passed. Got the rail back in there, bolted in, just the rails in there. This is a pain in the ass. So, and this camera died because it's a GoPro and they die after like 10 minutes, it seems like. Anyway, hoping I get this thing done today. I don't know, we'll see. It might be a tomorrow thing. Getting pretty frustrated and old and stuff. She is all back together. I think she's good. If you guys see anything that's not right, make sure you let me know. This is gonna be the first try at startup. So I'm hoping it's all good. First I'll do is I'll just do the key thing. Turn the key on, which I think should fire the fuel pump. You think? I don't know. The key's on. Nothing's doing. It's running. Anymore. That was water from the radiator fluid from some of the lines that went to the intake. Pretty uneventful. Started and run, that's good. Ooh. Skidding out. So yeah, so the old injectors were just, I think one of them was dripping, I'm hoping. One of them was dripping because it was running really rich. The computer was compensating as much as it could. And it was still running really rich. It would throw a check engine light on occasion. But once I gave it some more RPM and whatnot, it would, the check engine would come off, turn off. It would clean up, so I'm hoping that's good enough. Good enough for, yeah, no leaking. I'm gonna go wash my arms. Yeah, that sucked. I'll never do that again. The next time, LS. Doing a swap. Sure is running smooth. All right, I'm gonna shut her off, go clean up, and then take her for a cruise.